Hello students and namaste parents. Welcome to our channel of Ambition Vedic Coaching Institute. See students, today is our day. Today we are looking, the topic name is fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb. Correct form of the verb means what? You have given a verb in bracket. You have to choose that verb and by using appropriate tense you have to solve the given exercise. See students, we have seen gap filling, correct form of the verb. What happens? This is compulsory for 4 marks, 10 students, 9 students, both students also. But this exercise totally depends on the tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense, and its 4 subtypes like simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Like this, we have to solve these exercises one by one. How we can solve it? See, we are looking. See students, I have written exercise on the board. What is the question? Fill in the blanks by using correct tense form, means correct form of verb. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज वी डैश ब्रैकेट में लिखा है गो टू गुवाहाटी बाय राजधानी एक्सप्रेस लास्ट मंथ. सेकंड सेंटेंस इज राजधानी ट्रेन डैश बी अ फुल्ली एयर कंडीशन ट्रेन. इट डैश ब्रैकेट में प्रोवाइड फूड, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, वाटर एंड द ब्लैंकेट्स एट नाइट. राजधानी इज नाउ द सुपर फास्ट एक्सप्रेस. द जर्नी डैश बी कूल. ऑन द अपोजिट there dash a priest, he dash be in the church of Patna for past 20 years. I was informed that he dash bracket may read a book. See, this is only our understanding that how we can use the correct form of verb. They have not mentioned that we have to use correct form of present, past or future, but we must know, we must understand by the sentence that what will be the correct form of the verb. See the first sentence, we dash to Guwahati by Rajdhani Express last month. Whenever we are speaking, we are talking about last month, means this go last महीने में क्या हो जाएगा? Went. See how we can solve the answers. We went to Guwahati by Rajdhani Express last month. यानी पिछले महीने में हम लोग गए थे. राजधानी ट्रेन डैश अ फुल्ली एयर कंडीशन ट्रेन. पिछले महीने में नो डाउट गए थे, पर राजधानी ट्रेन अभी भी है. दैट्स व्हाई टू बी का बी क्या अभी भी है वो ट्रेन. दैट्स व्हाई राजधानी एक्सप्रेस, राजधानी ट्रेन इज अ फुल्ली एयर कंडीशन ट्रेन. थर्ड सेंटेंस, इट डैश फूड, कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स, वाटर एंड द ब्लैंकेट्स एट नाइट. इट्स उसकी कंटिन्यू सर्विस अभी भी देती है. इट प्रोवाइड्स. व्हाट वी कैन यूज? प्रोवाइड्स. It provides food, cold drinks, water and the blankets at night. Fourth sentence, the journey cool. Last महीने की जर्नी थी, इसीलिए we will be transferred into was. The journey was cool. On the opposite, there a priest. There a priest. What we can say? There was a priest. He dashed in the church of Patna for past 20 years. मतलब वो लास्ट 20 साल से है वहां पे. तो बी विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड इनटू हैज बीन. ही हैज बीन इन द चर्च ऑफ पटना फॉर पास्ट 20 years. ही इज स्टिल सर्विसिंग प्रीस्ट. आई वाज इन्फॉर्म्ड दैट ही अ बुक. क्या कर रहा था वो? ही हैज बीन आईएनजी present perfect continuous tense. He has been reading a book. See students, after filling with the correct answer, how we can read the sentence? We went to Guwahati by Rajdhani Express last month. Go is converted into went. Rajdhani train is a fully air conditioned train. It provides food, cold drinks, water and blankets at night. The journey was cool. On the opposite, there was a priest. It has been in the church of Patna for past 20 years. And last sentence is, I was informed that he has been reading a book. We have solved 7 sentences. Try to solve it.